Okay students, now this is the last question of our revision, that is countable and uncountable noun. Okay, countable noun means things which we can easily count, like book, pencil, pen, eraser. These are the things which we can easily count. And uncountable noun means the things which we can't count, like hair, salt, sugar, oil, water, petrol. They are the things which we can't count easily. So for the countable things which we can count easily, जिसे हम गिन सकते हैं, in that we will write C. In exam the word will be given, you have to find whether it is a countable noun, uncountable noun. Words will be given, you have to see whether it is countable or uncountable. Okay, so here bread we can see many in full bread loaf, we see many breads, we can count that bread, so it is a countable noun. Okay, next peaches are here. In our class also there are many peaches, we can count how many peaches are there in our class, so it is also a countable noun. Love, how much we love to our mother, we can't show that I love this much, it is beyond our thinking, so it is uncountable. Okay, we can't count the love. Water, we can we count the water? No, it is not possible, so water is also uncountable. देन एयर, हवा जिसमें हम सांस लेते हैं, क्या हम उसे गिन सकते हैं? नो, सो इट इज ऑल्सो अनकाउंटेबल. देन वॉच मीन्स घड़ी. इन आवर हाउस योर फादर, मदर, ब्रदर दे आर वेयरिंग, वी कैन काउंट हाउ मेनी क्लॉक वॉचेस वी हैव इन आवर हाउस, सो इट इज अ काउंटेबल नाउन. सैंड, मिट्टी, कैन वी काउंट इट? नो, सो इट इज एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. ओके, then umbrella. In our house your dada, dadi, uncle, father, mother all are having umbrella, but you can count how many umbrellas you have at your home, so it is a countable noun. Okay, then shoes, same way in your house how many persons are wearing the shoes, or you can count all the shoes and tell how many shoes are there in your house, so it is a countable noun. Then sugar we can't sugar one by one and say that we have 11 sugar or 12 sugar यानी शक्कर, खांड जिसे आप गुजराती में कहते हो, so it is also the uncountable noun. So students, we have completed our grammar revision today, so read this, go through this properly and be ready for your exam. Write neatly and copy properly in your notebook. So best of luck for your exam. Okay, and if you find any difficulty or you have any queries, you can call me and ask me personally on my number, but before 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay, so bye and take care of yourself.